Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Kristen. Couple of housekeeping things. We're going to be posting on Sundays from now on. I don't know. Apparently Sundays are more comfortable for me. I don't know. Second of all, this door is closed because I'm doing laundry and my bed isn't made, so I took that off. Thirdly, my cats are down here acting like kittens because they're kittens. And they're roughing it today. I just woke up, so I apologize if I'm like, you know how you just wake up and you're like, ugh. But I have my cup of coffee, so that's good. So yeah, I hope the change in schedule, I've been doing it for the last couple weeks and apologizing, and I'm not going to apologize. I'm just going to say, we're going to move there. So I want to do a chit-chatty get ready with me with my Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I just got this, so I'm excited. I've only used it once. So this is that. So we're going to do like a Mother's Day kind of, you know, soft look for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is really hard for me. My mom passed away last year in June, so this is my first Mother's Day without my mother. So that sucks. I've been keep getting hit with like the Mother's Day advertising, and I'm like, okay, can we like omit me from this or what? But it's also my grandmother's birthday on Sunday, so that's another reason why I'm gonna practice this look that I'm gonna do tomorrow, because I'm gonna go see my grandmother and, you know, hang out with her for her birthday as well as Mother's Day. So, you know, it's not all bad. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my MILANI primer. I am going to be talking about my favorite brushes in my next video. So I'm not going to talk about my brushes too much here. So going into the palette, which isn't new at all, so if you have it, follow along. If not, I'm sure you guys got a lot of these colors. This is base. It kind of leaves a little more yellow than, you know, a little more yellow than a lot of my base colors, but that's okay. It's just what it sounds like. It's a matte white. No, actually looking at it, no, I feel like it leans a little yellow, but it's still just a matte white color that, you know, you use to set your eyeliner, your eyeshadow primer. Wow, I am tired today. Your eyeshadow primer. So I didn't like what I did last time with this palette, so I'm going to try so I'm going to take Incense right here and use that as my transition color. I'm hoping that I can do a little bit, hoping that I'm going to like this look a little bit better, because I didn't like the last look I came up with. And I'm going to use, I'm trying to keep my brush just clean because I want to do another video after this on my favorite brushes. So I'm actually going to use the brush that comes with it, the double-ended brush that comes with it, and use the fluffy side and put that Incense color as my transition. Okay, I don't like that brush. So I'm just going to go back in with the brush that I was using to apply my highlight, which is my Morphe M505, and kind of blow that out a little bit more. Soften that out, I guess, is what I'm thinking. The best part about colors like base, the white mattes, is that you can use it almost like an eraser. Clean things up that were a little too deep or too dark. In this area, you can like clean it up, make the line sharper. The best part about that kind of shade right there. Okay, now I'm gonna go back and now I'm gonna go in with my Sigma E25 brush. And I'm gonna go in with Soul, which is a periwinkle color. Periwinkle reminds me of my mom. Periwinkle is the color for esophageal cancer awareness, and my mother died of esophageal cancer. So periwinkle is a very special color to me. And one of the main reasons I kind of broke down and bought this palette, because you don't find a lot of periwinkle like places. But yeah, periwinkle is definitely a special color to me. Okay, so I like that periwinkle color. That periwinkle color is very pretty. So then I'm gonna go, like I said, I kind of want to leave it a little soft. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the color Love, which is this pink color right in the middle here, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Oh, look at that! It's like the 80s. The 80s are back, people. It's okay. It's alright. We're gonna make it work. That should be the motto of my channel. We'll make it work. And then I'm going to go on top of it with my finger with Wild Child, which is the glitter pink. The glittery pink. Just going to use my finger and pat that right on top. It's a little more 80s than I was going for, but I think once we put on the rest of our makeup, it'll be fine. So I'm going to leave the eyes right there for right now, and we'll come back to finish it. Like I said, once we finish everything, I think it's going to look fine right now. With my Madonna bow in my hair, I'm again getting some 80s looks. So I'm going to go in with my TATCHA Silk Primer. Silk Canvas. My TATCHA Silk Canvas. And I'm going to just put that on my face, obviously. Okay, so I went ahead and put on my TATCHA Silk Primer, or Silk Canvas. I keep doing that, I'm sorry. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, because again, it's going to be glowy. I'm going to go in with my Hollywood Flawless Filter and put that on my face, at the high points of my face. I keep watching people talk about this and how they don't like it and how it makes them look greasy, and I'm just like, I've never thought about, I guess technically it's a primer, but I've never thought about putting it all over my face. I felt like from the beginning it'd be a little too greasy. And I don't know. I always thought about putting it on the high points. I really thought that's what that was for. So I'm like, I'm so sad that it's not working out, but I have heard that people like mix it in with foundation. But I feel like it would be too much for me, so. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. So then I'm gonna go in with so many choices. I'm gonna go in with my Revlon Candid foundation. Blend that out with a brush. That's probably a little too much foundation, but that's okay. I have so much cleaning I have to do today. I'm going to be starting my job. I pushed it back to go on this cruise, and I'm going to be starting my job when I get back. Like, the week after I get back, I'm starting a new job. So, working from home, so I gotta clean up my beauty room and rearrange a little bit so I can put another desk in here. Then I gotta clean my bedroom and my bathroom, and my kitchen is a disaster. It's driving me nuts. That's why you might be hearing my laundry. Starting with my bedding, you know. Because your room is not clean unless you have clean bedding and, you know, your bed is actually made. My hair is a disaster today. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about my disaster that is my hair. Okay. So, I just took my Laura Mercier concealer and I'm using that under my eyes, and again bringing it down to cover up those dark spots that are nice and nicely located right here. Ah. I'm gonna go in today with my Wet n Wild translucent powder. I want to go in with my Milk Makeup bronzer today. going for a like really natural look. I'm getting more brave about putting it down here. At first I was just like, I don't know that I want to put it down there. But I'm getting more brave about putting it there. And it blends out super easy, so it's not that bad, but you know. Okay. Alright, so unfortunately, again, I can't use, well, I could use Mykonos, but I don't think it's gonna go with this look. I don't know, call me crazy. I'm gonna go in instead with, you know what? I'm gonna go instead with my cream blush that I got from one of my Allure boxes that I haven't used in a while, the Naturale in Grapefruit. I'm going to warm it up on my finger and then tap it onto my cheeks here. And yeah, blend it in with my beauty blender. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with my OFRA and Nikkietutorials highlighter that I also got from one of my Allure boxes. And I'm just going to take the white shimmery color. Oops, I forgot Sophie. My bad. Oh, that was icy. Alright. It's okay. And some shimmer right there, isn't there? So that was a little bright. Whatever. Okay, so now let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. I'm really loving my CoverGirl for that lately. My CoverGirl, I think it's Ultra Fine, something like that. Ultra Fine Brown Pencil. I'm really enjoying that lately. Okay. So, back to the eyes. Back to the eyes. Let's see what we can do for underneath. So underneath, I'm going to take Incense again. And I'm going to take this flat shader brush. And I'm going to run it pretty close to the lower. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to take Volatile. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I'm going to use that. No, don't want that. Yeah, I'm going to use that one. I'm going to use that shade and a flat angled, or a flat brush, not an angled brush, a flat brush. Push that really close to the lower lash line. And then for the waterline, I'm going to go in, not this one. For the waterline, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Lasting Drama in the white shade, White Luster. I'm just going to put that on the waterline to brighten it up. And for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take Dreamer, which is this color here. And I'm going to put that as my inner corner highlight. Repetitive much, are we? Alright, so let me curl my lashes and put on my mascara. I'm just gonna use my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. So let me do that really quick and then we'll come back and put on some lips. Okay, so I put on my mascara and I realized I didn't do anything with my top lashes, like my top lash line as way of liner, but that's okay. I kind of like it like this. It's more simple, you know, there weren't a lot of steps. It was easy because, you know, when you're hanging out with family, you don't really need to have like a bold, dramatic eye unless you want to, of course. This is a little more bold than I wanted it. That periwinkle color is darker than I found out the last couple days. That periwinkle color is a little darker than I anticipated on the eyes. So I just got to keep that in mind the next time I use it. But I like it in my crease a lot more than I used it last time. I think I used it on my actual eyelid last time, so I like it. I like this look. Like I said, it came together nicely. I also didn't put anything in the outer corner because I wanted it to be something simple, something quick, something, I wanted it to be a little bit softer, but that's okay. That you could just wear. It's springy, you know, it's girly for Mother's Day kind of thing. Like I said, periwinkle is a very, very, very special color to me and reminds me of my mother. But I think I would definitely wear this look to brunch with my family. So hopefully you would too. Obviously you could swap out the pink for like a brown or the periwinkle for a brown. It's up to you. For lips, I'm going to go for a nude lip. I'm going to go for Loyalist by Maybelline, the Maybelline SuperStay Matte. I haven't used this in a while. I like this lip. So there we go. So that's my look for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you like it, subscribe and hit that notification button if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Thanks.